Why do good people fail while bad people rise? This question silently breaks a lot of honest people. You play fair, you work hard, you care about others, yet somehow you're the one stuck in place. And the worst part is, no one teaches you why. The truth is uncomfortable but simple. Being good is not the same as being effective, and most good people confuse these two. The first reason good people fail, they avoid conflict. They don't want to disappoint anyone. They don't want to be seen as aggressive or selfish. So they stay silent when they should speak. They agree when they should push back. Meanwhile, less moral people have no problem taking space. They ask, they demand, they take. Not because they're better, but because they're louder. The second reason, good people overvalue fairness. They believe effort will always be rewarded. They believe honesty guarantees success. But the world doesn't reward effort. It rewards visibility, leverage, and timing. Bad people understand the system early. Good people wait for the system to be fair. And while they wait, others pass them. The third reason, good people fear being misunderstood. They over-explain, they justify, they apologize too much. They try to prove they have good intentions. But confident people don't explain their existence. They move first and let results speak. Here's the painful part. The world doesn't reward kindness without boundaries. It exploits it. Good people don't fail because they're good. They fail because they confuse goodness with weakness. You don't need to become bad to succeed, but you do need to become dangerous with control, strong, clear, unapologetic. That's when good people stop failing.